In this video, I will show you how to lock your WeChat wallet with passcode without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat account. Then go ahead and click on WinSim Pay. Go ahead and click on this settings icon. Proceed to Customer Service Center. Proceed to Consumer Protection. Click on Security Protection. Go ahead and click on Security Lock. Then go ahead and click on Pattern Password to unlock. Then you have to enter your payment password to confirm your identity. Once you enter your payment password to confirm your identity, you'll be asked to draw your pattern for WeChat Wallet security lock. It's that simple. With that, nobody will have access to your WeChat wallet unless they have access to your security lock pattern. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat Pay security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.